Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Pandora account to access personalized music streaming features, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process quickly. Step 1. Download the Pandora app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or access Pandora through your web browser. Step 2. Open the Pandora app or website and click on Sign Up to create a new account, or log in if you already have existing credentials. Step 3. During the sign-up process, enter your email address when prompted. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access immediately. Step 4. After completing the registration, Pandora will automatically send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email from Pandora. The subject line will typically read, "Verify your Pandora account" or "Confirm your email address." Step 6. Click on the verification link contained in the email. This will redirect you to the Pandora website or app and automatically verify your email address. Step 7. Once verified, return to the Pandora app or website and log in with your credentials. You now have full access to all Pandora features. Step 8. Complete your profile by selecting your favorite music genres and artists to help Pandora personalize your listening experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.